Hi, I'm Kruno. Thanks for watching EPLAN Essentials. A while ago, we created a tutorial on how to create Busbar systems like the Rittal's Reline 60. Yesterday, a question came up on how to place base trays. This will be the subject of today's video. Alright, as mentioned in the introduction, we created a while ago a video on how to create Busbar systems in EPLAN Pro Panel. You will find the link to this video under this video and in the top right corner. So now that we know how to create Busbar system, the question is how to create covers or base trays for your Busbar systems. Typically, you will go to the EPLAN data portal, download the components and utilize it. Especially if you use Rittal components, you should find all of your components there. But what if you have to create your own Busbar base trays or covers? What you need to know are two things. One is the outline, and the second thing is the maximum delivery length of the component. Let me show you this in the software. So if I click on the mounting panel and insert now the base tray, what you need to know, base trays are in the group user-defined rail. So under user-defined rail, I will find the base tray which I utilized here. And now, first thing as I mentioned is the outline. The outline defines essentially the shape of the base tray, and then you have a delivery length. So the delivery length tells you how long this base tray or cover can be. So in my case here, if I just zoom a little bit out to show you this, is the delivery length a maximum of 2,400 millimeters, which we will see right now. So as you see, you can extend this only to the delivery length and not further. Okay? So this is how a base tray will be placed. Okay? Let's take a look now in the parts master data to see where this respective information is entered. So under master data, management, we can search for the base tray part and we will find it. So first of all, the outline you can find under macro. And typically, under schematic macro, you will enter the outline file, which is FC2. So we'll just memorize this component for later. And the second thing which I mentioned is the delivery length. So if we go here under length, you see that's the delivery length of 2,400 millimeter, which is, as I mentioned, the maximum length where you can extend this base tray or cover. So let's take now a look in the outline. Outlines can be created or edited under outline extrusion. And here I will now use open. If you would like to create a new outline, you will utilize the functionality new. So I'll press open and open the respective outline. So as you see, the format is .fc2, which is in EPLAN outline extrusion. So here you will see how the outline is shaped. If you want to know more on how to create outlines, my recommendation will be to visit the EPLAN Pro Panel training, where this is explained in a very detailed format. So as I mentioned, here you can now design the outline with simple functionalities, define information like mounting surface. If the component which you would like to place here is not centered, then you could add also information like guiding rails. After this, all what you need to do is save it and add it to your component. This was a very quick example on how to use base tray and covers in EPLAN Pro Panel. This wraps up today's EPLAN Essentials video. If you find the content beneficial, please make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it in your community. Also, make sure to comment below which other content you would like to see soon on EPLAN Essentials. Until the next time, Uncle Kruno signed out.